Want to look like a pro using AI? These AI tools can instantly upgrade your work and make you stand out. Here are 10 AI tools that make you look like a professional. First, Guidde. It automatically creates step-by-step tutorials by recording your workflow. Second, Flair AI. Generate high-quality product photos without a studio. Third, Looka. Create professional logos and brand kits instantly. Fourth, Uizard. Turn your ideas into app and website designs effortlessly. Fifth, Rewind AI. Search everything you've seen on your screen. Sixth, Magical. Automate repetitive typing and workflows. Seventh, Rose AI. Use AI directly inside spreadsheets to analyze data faster. Eighth, Palette.fm. Colorize black and white images with stunning accuracy. Ninth, Humata AI. Ask questions and get answers directly from your documents. And finally, Flowise AI. Build AI applications visually without coding. If you want to discover more powerful AI tools, subscribe to AI Tools Lab. Thanks for watching.